Unlocking the meaning. Wash one's hands of. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase you might have come across in English. Wash one's hands of. This expression is rich with history and meaning, and understanding it can add a new layer to your communication skills in English. Stay tuned as we unravel its origins, meanings, and how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. At its core, the phrase, wash one's hands of, signifies a person's decision to stop being responsible for, involved with, or interested in something or someone. It's a way of expressing that you're disassociating yourself from any further responsibility or connection with a particular issue or individual. The roots of this expression go deep into history, finding its origin in a biblical reference. It comes from the story of Pontius Pilate in the Bible, who literally washed his hands to show that he did not want to be responsible for the execution of Jesus Christ. Over time, this act of washing hands became a metaphor for abstaining from responsibility. Using wash one's hands of in conversation can be quite impactful if done correctly. It's commonly used in formal and informal contexts alike, but it's important to use it when you genuinely want to express detachment or absolution from responsibility. For example, after numerous failed attempts to mediate their arguments, I've washed my hands of the situation. She washed her hands of the project after realizing it contradicted her ethical beliefs. This phrase is best used in situations where you've made a clear decision to step away from a problematic scenario or relationship. Let's look at some examples to better understand the application of this phrase. 1. In a work environment, when a team member decides not to be involved in a project that's going against their principles, I'm washing my hands of this project. 2. In personal relationships, when deciding to no longer intervene in someone else's issues, I've washed my hands of their endless disputes. Variations of the phrase are rare, but the sentiment can be expressed differently, depending on the context and tone you wish to convey. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of wash one's hands of. This phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, allowing you to articulate a deliberate separation from responsibility with clarity and historical depth. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. See you in our next video.